Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making something which generally is ignored, which is called kidney beans. They're very healthy and has a lot of nutrients in it. So generally kids are fussy eating these beans. So we thought of making cutlets out of it. So we'll be making the kidney beans or the rajma cutlets today. Again, we'll be adding some healthy ingredients and the unhealthy part would be sidelined. So for this we would need about a cup of rajma, which I have soaked overnight, and I have boiled it for about 4 to 5 whistles till they become mashy. They mash in the hand when you take them. So this is the consistency we need, and to this I have added salt as per taste. And we need about these are about 2 sweet potatoes. So I have boiled them and I have chopped them roughly. I have semolina here, which is suji. Then I have onions, which is about 2 big onions, some coriander, some ghee, salt. This is ginger, garlic and chili. This is red chili powder. We have some lemon juice. I have some roasted besan or gram flour. I have some kasuri methi, some garam masala, some chaat masala and peppers, which we'll crush. So let's look at the process. How we're going to do this? We'll take a mixer jar. We'll add the rajmas. Make sure there is no water in the rajmas. And you should not be adding any water also. So we want a coarse texture. To this we'll add 1 chili. We'll add ginger. So this is about 2 big pieces of ginger that I'm adding. Here I have about 15 garlic cloves, which I'll add. And we will need some cashews also. So I missed talking about that. So we will need about 10 to 15 cashews, and we'll just grind them into a coarse mixture. So this is how the mixture looks once grinded. We have not added any water. We'll just grinded them in the juices of rajma and the other things that we added. To this, let's add some sweet potato. So we'll mash them and add it. You can also replace it with potatoes. Since we are doing healthy, I wanted to add sweet potato instead of potato. We have added the sweet potato. Goes in some 2 big onions. Goes in about some 3 big tablespoons of roasted gram flour. About half a lemon cut juice you need. Some salt to taste again. Red chili powder again to taste. Garam masala to taste again. How much stuff tikha and you want. This is chaat masala. We'll take some kasuri methi, crush it with our hands and add it in. Need some crushed peppers. You can take pepper powder also. So about half a teaspoon of pepper, or again to taste you can do. Now let's start adding, just mixing it. So this is how the mixture looks. To this we'll add coriander. And if you have mint, you can also add mint. That also gives lovely flavor. but I don't have it, so I'm just adding coriander at this juncture. In the meanwhile, I've started, the tawa. I mean, I started the gas and I've put my tawa on. You can also deep fry them. Please adjust the salt and the other masalas as per need at this time, so that nothing is less or more. Now this is done. Mixed everything. Now we'll take a little oil in our hand. Take a small ball. Take it in the other hand. Make a circle. Make sure you flatten them well, so that they are crispy also. Now we have semolina here. We just dip it in semolina and it just go like this. This is how it looks. Now looks like a tawa is hot. We'll add some ghee over it. Like I said, you can use any non-stick pan or any iron tawa or anything. I'm using a grill tawa, so I'll just keep putting it here. We made some cutlets and we put it on the pan. Now we'll just flip the first one that we had put in. So you keep flipping sides till they turn out to be crispy. And if need be, add little ghee. Ghee enhances the taste of the cutlets. You can also alternatively use butter. In case you have, you don't want to use any, then oil is also good. So our cutlets are ready, and they are extremely crispy from outside and very, very soft from inside, like melt in the mouth cutlets. You can serve it with any dip, ketchup, mint chutney, anything of your choice. Thank you friends for liking my recipes so far and watching this recipe. I'm really glad that you guys are liking and you have been messaging me as well. I look forward to more comments, more feedback. So keep liking my channel, keep subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting more notifications. Thank you so much.